The GLK 250 or any GLK with the HID headlights. You have a cornering lamp bulb right there that points when you turn your turn signal on. It lights up the corner. Mine's out, has a little error on the dashboard. Down inside the headlight, the closest one to the inside. Take the cap, turn it this way, pull it out. And it's this bulb here in the back. There's this one, the headlight, and then there's this one that points in this direction. It's an H7 halogen. And you're going to reach in, and there's a little stick in there. And you grab it, pull up, and pull out. This is what it looks like. It's like a little popsicle stick thing. You pull up and then pull it out. Note the direction that the little finger is pointing up. See the little finger on the halogen bulb. Now, crap. Let me grab a tripod real quick. Not easy to get a camera balanced in here so you can see. Okay, so we got our bulb. Old bulbs, we don't care about touching it with our fingers. New bulb. Come out of your package. Oops. The screws are facing that way. Now we're going to stick it back in. And push it till it clicks in. I think I just put that bulb in upside down, to be honest. Did I? Nope. Cover back on.